Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yusuf and I would like to thank you for watching my videos, and I wish you and your families a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, may we all...
People first heard about Samsung Dex in 2018 with the introduction and the release of Note 8, S8 and TabS4. Since then, more and more people are starting to talk about this hidden feature that Samsung included on its high-end devices. So let me break it down for you. Dex essentially enable users to extend their devices into a PC-style desktop experience while you keep using your phone, and as you can see, you can turn it into a touchpad, or for more convenience, we are going to connect our wireless keyboard and mouse. So before we jump into it, there are 4 basic ways to use Samsung Dex. Option number 1 is wireless Dex. That means that we have to connect our phone wirelessly with the TV.
First, turn on the TV. Then, from the drop-down menu, we have to enable Dex by clicking on it. Now we have to wait for a few seconds till we get the message that says that we can start now. Okay, click on Start Now. By the way, Samsung Dex wireless connection is available on Smart TV that support phone screen mirroring only. And here we go, so connection now established, and let me show you how you can use your phone as a touchpad. Again, on your smartphone, swipe down to open the notification panel. Tap the option to use your phone as a touchpad. Now you can use your finger to navigate within Dex. You can also use your S Pen. Tap once and hold to drag and drop. Do that again if you want to move your app to the desktop, just like what you would do when you left click on your mouse. Double tap to open the app. We are going to need this adapter to connect our wireless keyboard and mouse. Now grab your mouse, flip it over, take off the wireless adapter, switch it on, and connect it to your phone. As you can see now, I am using my wireless keyboard and mouse, and for example, I'm going to search for Google Chrome. Double tap to open. Grabbing an app and dragging it to either edge will resize and snap it to that half of the display. For extra user-friendly experience, it's highly recommended to enable desktop site mode. We can launch app from the desktop by double tapping. If you single tap with your 2 fingers, that's equivalent to the right click on your mouse. Now single tap with your 3 fingers and then bring them together to show you the running apps. To open the apps menu, tap with your 4 fingers. So now let us jump to the option number 2 and 3.
Option number 2 is to connect your phone with the TV or any monitor through HDMI to C-type cable. Option number 3 is to connect your phone through a Dex station. Last but not least, option number 4 is to connect your phone to your laptop through the USB to USB-C type cable, just to keep your phone there.
Okay guys, first of all, we have to connect our phone with the laptop. And as you can see, both are connected now. Next, a pop-up message will appear on your phone. And in order to enable Dex, please click on Start Now. In case anytime you want to get back to your laptop screen, just hover your mouse at the top of the display, then click Minimize. And to get back, move your cursor down and click on Dex application. To view settings, hover your cursor at the top of the display, click on Setting, keep the Auto Start option and notifications enabled. I personally keep the third option off. And to switch faster between apps, I like to keep the Alt plus Tab option enabled. And the last option below will allow you to update your software version. And as you can see, I am running on the latest version. To get back to your desktop, bring your cursor to the top and click on Setting. To show the app menu, click on the bottom left icon. To scroll, use the arrows. So let's say you want to bring this KineMaster app to your desktop, just click, hold, drag and drop. Now click on the second icon from the left bottom to close all the open apps. To show audio levels, click on the speaker icon. Next to it, you have the screenshot icon. The circle icon is for notifications. At the bottom right, you can enable and disable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, it gives you access to the device setting in general. Like for example, I'm going to show you now how to enable the keyboard to show up on your laptop screen or the Dex screen. So we have to click on TV or monitor. And now if we come back to the keyboard icon, as you can see, you can get it on the screen. And the most coolest feature is now you can copy your files from your PC to Dex or vice versa. So the file is copied. I'm gonna show you now from my files. We're gonna open it. It was a picture. I copied a picture from my PC to the Dex. Now, as you can see, I can right click and let's say I can add it to the home screen. Click on add. Voila. Let me show you the downside of Dex. This wireless charger from Samsung definitely will help your battery last longer, especially that Dex will drain your battery quite quickly depending on which phone you are using.
In conclusion, Dex is really a good alternative, and personally, whenever I will be traveling to a hotel, that's something that I will be considering to use. Okay guys, at the end I would like to thank you for watching this video, and for all the new faces here, please go and click on the subscribe button. Also hit the bell for you to get all the updates, and don't forget to explode the like, and see you soon.